Have you ever found yourself trapped in a never-ending cycle of financial hardship? It's a common experience that far too many of us know all too well. The constant worry about the next bill, the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, and the feeling that no matter how hard you work, you're barely treading water. It's a cycle of struggle that seems to repeat itself, leaving you feeling trapped and powerless. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. The power to change your financial situation lies within your own mindset. Yes, you heard it right, your mindset. It's about how you perceive money, how you interact with it, and more importantly, how you think about it. That's right, your beliefs about money have a powerful impact on your financial reality. So if you're tired of the struggle, if you're ready to break free from the cycle of financial hardship, it all starts with shifting your money mindset. Just remember, it doesn't have to be this way. The key to breaking free lies in your money mindset. Our beliefs about money greatly dictate our financial situation. This statement holds more truth than you might initially realize. It's not just about how much you earn or how you spend, but rather, it's about your underlying beliefs, your money mindset. Your money mindset is essentially your unique set of beliefs and attitudes towards money. It's the lens through which you view your financial life, and it heavily influences your financial decisions and behaviors. But here's the catch. If your money mindset is negative, it can attract scarcity into your life. You see, if you constantly believe that money is hard to come by, that it's a scarce resource, guess what? You will continue to see it that way. You'll find yourself trapped in a cycle of financial struggle, always worrying about money, living from paycheck to paycheck, and never seeming to make any significant progress. This is the power of a scarcity mindset. But let's flip the coin. What about those who believe in abundance? Those who affirm to themselves that there's plenty of wealth to go around, that they can and will attract prosperity. This is the abundance mindset. These individuals see money as an unlimited resource, and they tend to attract wealth and financial success into their lives. But how can you shift from scarcity to abundance? It all starts with awareness. Recognize your current money beliefs. Are they rooted in scarcity or abundance? If you find that your beliefs are limiting you, acknowledge them, but don't let them define you. Make a conscious decision to change them. Start affirming positive beliefs about money. Tell yourself that you can attract abundance, that there's plenty of wealth to go around. Practice gratitude for what you already have, and you'll start to notice more abundance flowing into your life. Remember, your mindset is not fixed. You have the power to change it. You can break free from the limiting beliefs that keep you stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. And the beauty of it all? Once you start to believe in abundance, you'll start to see it manifest in your life. But remember, you have the power to change your mindset and attract abundance instead. The first step to financial freedom is a shift in mindset. This might sound simple, but it's a powerful truth. To unlock your financial abundance, you need to break free from a scarcity mindset and embrace one of abundance. This means changing your perception of money from something that's limited and hard to get, to something that's plentiful and accessible. Imagine money as a vast ocean. It's not a single pool that's going to dry up. There's an infinite amount of wealth out there, and it's available to anyone who's willing to tap into it. Your job is to find the streams that will lead you to this ocean. Start by using affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself daily, to shape your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with your goals. Your affirmations could be something like, I attract wealth easily and effortlessly, or money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. The key is to make these affirmations personal, positive, and present tense. Say them out loud, write them down, and most importantly, believe in them. Visualization is another powerful tool. It involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome. See yourself living a life of abundance. What does it look like? How does it feel? The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Imagine the lifestyle you want, the financial freedom you seek, the joy and fulfillment that comes with it. Make this vision so clear in your mind that it feels real. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. If you believe in scarcity, you'll live in scarcity. If you believe in abundance, you'll attract abundance. It's not magic, it's simply the law of attraction at work. The shift from a scarcity mindset to one of abundance won't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and faith. But once you make this shift, you'll start to notice changes. Opportunities will appear, doors will open, and wealth will flow into your life. Start believing in the infinite possibilities of wealth. You have the power to change your financial destiny. All it takes is a shift in mindset. Your relationship with money plays a critical role in your financial situation. Let's delve into this a little deeper. We all have a relationship with money, whether we're aware of it or not. It's as real as any other relationship in our lives. And just like those relationships, it can be healthy or unhealthy, positive or negative. But how do you feel about money? Is it a source of stress or a means to freedom? Do you see it as an enemy or an ally? Your answers to these questions will shed light on your money mindset. Fear and negativity can be major hindrances to financial growth. If you're afraid of money, if it's something that brings you stress or anxiety, you've already set up a barrier between yourself and financial abundance. Money then becomes a source of worry, rather than a tool for growth and freedom. Think of it this way. If money were a person, would it want to hang around someone who's constantly stressed about it, who sees it as a problem rather than a solution? Probably not. It's time to shift that perspective. Start seeing money for what it truly is. A tool. It's neither good nor bad, it's simply a means to an end. Money can buy you comfort, it can give you the freedom to pursue your passions, it can provide you with opportunities to grow and learn. So how do you foster a positive relationship with money? Start by changing your language around it. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, try saying, how can I afford this? Instead of saying, I'm broke, try saying, I'm currently budgeting. These subtle shifts in language can have a profound impact on your mindset. They take you from a place of scarcity to a place of abundance. They make you proactive rather than reactive. Remember, your relationship with money is just that, a relationship. And like any relationship, it requires effort, understanding, and a positive attitude to thrive. Money is simply a tool that can bring you joy and freedom. Embrace it. Investing can be intimidating, but it's a powerful tool for wealth creation. Now this is a statement that's true as can be. The fear of investing is a common one, but it's also one that can keep us stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. So let's address this fear head-on. Imagine standing at the edge of a precipice, overlooking a vast expanse. Investing can feel a lot like taking that leap into the unknown. It can feel risky, and yes, sometimes it can be. But the key here is to understand that there are ways to mitigate these risks and make informed decisions. First, education is crucial. The world of investing might seem like a foreign language at first, but with time and effort, you can learn to understand it. There are countless resources available, books, online courses, webinars, podcasts, that can provide you with the knowledge you need to start investing confidently. Second, don't be afraid to seek expert advice. Financial advisors, mentors, even friends or family who have experience in investing can provide valuable insights and guidance. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's a sign of wisdom. Third, start small. You don't need to have a fortune to start investing. Even a small amount, if invested wisely, can grow over time. Think of it as planting a seed. With patience, care, and the right conditions, it can grow into a mighty tree. Lastly, take calculated risks. Investing isn't about throwing your money blindly and hoping for the best. It's about making informed decisions, assessing potential risks and rewards, and being patient. It's a long-term game. So to overcome the fear of investing, arm yourself with knowledge, seek advice, start small, and take calculated risks. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere. And as they say, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risks at all. So take that step, embrace the world of investing and unlock the door to your financial abundance. Do you believe that you deserve wealth? If not, it's time to change that. Far too often we are conditioned to think that desiring wealth is somehow selfish or morally wrong. That it's not okay to want more than what you have, or that you're not worthy of financial abundance. These beliefs, however, are nothing more than limiting money mindsets that keep you trapped in a cycle of financial struggle. It's important to understand that there's absolutely nothing wrong with desiring wealth. Money in itself is not evil or corrupt. It's simply a tool, a resource that can provide you with the means to live a comfortable life, to take care of your loved ones, to pursue your passions, and to make a positive impact in the world. Desiring wealth is not about greed or selfishness. It's about desiring the freedom and opportunities that money can provide. And here's the truth. You are absolutely deserving of wealth. You are deserving of financial stability, of comfort, of the ability to live life on your terms. You're deserving of the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're financially secure. Your worthiness of wealth is not determined by your past mistakes, your current circumstances, or what others may think of you. It's an inherent part of who you are. So let go of any guilt or feelings of unworthiness that you may be holding on to. Let go of the belief that you're not meant to be rich, that it's somehow wrong for you to desire wealth. Replace these limiting beliefs with affirmations of abundance and worthiness. Tell yourself, every day, I am deserving of wealth. I am worthy of financial abundance. Embrace this mindset, and watch how it transforms your relationship with money. When you truly believe that you deserve wealth, you'll start attracting opportunities for financial growth. You'll make smarter financial decisions, take calculated risks, and work towards your financial goals with a newfound sense of purpose and determination. You are deserving of financial abundance. Embrace that fact. The people and content you surround yourself with can greatly influence your money mindset. Just as a single drop of ink can tinge a whole glass of water, the environment around you can permeate your thoughts and shape your beliefs. It's crucial then to consciously curate your surroundings to foster a positive mindset towards money and success. Think about it. How often do you read books that challenge and inspire you to aim higher? How frequently do you listen to podcasts that fill your mind with ideas about wealth creation and financial freedom? And most importantly, what kind of people do you spend most of your time with? Are they those who inspire you to be better, to strive for more, to never settle for less? It's time to make a conscious choice. Choose to read books that empower you, that challenge your current beliefs and perspectives, and inspire you to dream bigger. Choose to listen to podcasts that feed your mind with knowledge and wisdom about money and success. Find mentors and role models who have achieved the kind of financial success you aspire to. These individuals can provide invaluable insights and advice that you won't find in any textbook. Their success stories can inspire you, their failures can teach you, and their journeys can guide you. But remember, surrounding yourself with positivity isn't just about consuming inspiring content or associating with successful people. It's also about removing negativity from your life. It's about distancing yourself from people who drain your energy, who belittle your ambitions, who make you feel small. It's about saying no to content that fuels anxiety, fear, or self-doubt. Make no mistake, this isn't about being selfish or cutting people off. It's about setting boundaries for your mental and emotional well-being. It's about making space for growth, for learning, for progress. So, take a moment to reflect. Who and what are you allowing into your life? Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Remember, you have the power to choose. Choose to surround yourself with positivity, with knowledge, with inspiration. You become whom you surround yourself with. Choose wisely. Breaking free from limiting money mindsets is within your reach. It's about understanding that your beliefs about money directly impact your financial situation. If you've been viewing money as a scarce and limited resource, it's time to shift your perspective. Start seeing the infinite possibilities of wealth. Affirm to yourself and truly believe that you can and will attract abundance. Your relationship with money is crucial. If it's marked by fear, stress, or negativity, it's time for a change. Money is a tool that can bring joy, freedom, and the ability to live life on your terms. Embrace a positive attitude towards it, and watch how it begins to flow into your life. Overcoming the fear of investing is another essential step. It's easy to think you can't afford to invest or that it's too risky. But remember, investing can be a powerful way to grow your wealth. Don't shy away from taking calculated risks. Educate yourself, seek expert advice, and remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risks at all. One of the most powerful limiting beliefs is the idea that you don't deserve wealth. If you've been conditioned to believe that it's selfish or wrong to be rich, it's time to let go of that guilt. You are deserving of financial abundance. And lastly, surround yourself with positivity. Associate with people who have a healthy mindset towards money and success. Invest in your personal growth through reading uplifting books and listening to inspiring podcasts. Remember, you become the company you keep. Unlocking your financial abundance is not just about money, it's about breaking free from limiting beliefs and creating a life of freedom, joy, and abundance. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Believe in yourself, embrace a positive money mindset, take calculated risks, and surround yourself with positivity. The world is full of infinite possibilities, and so are you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.